Hi, welcome to Highline. Come on in. I'm Gina Dosh, Sales and Marketing Coordinator with Highline Manufacturing. I'd like to show you our facility. So Highline offers a number of products, one being our AccuMix that we released 3 years ago. The Highline team was quite proud of that, and it took Highline into a whole new level in the manufacturing world. We also released 4 new processors just this week, so we are super excited about that. So I'd love to show you today all aspects of our facility. That would include engineering, to our production floor, to customer service, to our shipping department. It takes an entire team to make this happen, and I'd love to show it to you. So come on, I'm going to take you to our engineering department where it all starts. Hi, welcome to the engineering department. This truly is where the magic begins. Our engineers have the challenging task of taking our customers' problems and create fantastic solutions. Great engineering leads to great products, and at Highline we have a great engineering team that puts a lot into our products. We take customer feedback, they listen to that, and they incorporate that into their design. But let's talk to Matt and hear a little bit more about what the engineering department does.
My name is Matt Harder. I work at Highline Manufacturing and I'm a design engineer. So what I do primarily is the actual product design. The product development lifecycle, it's many different departments over many years, basically identifying a problem and solving it with a product. So it starts by first finding out what that problem is, and then obviously coming up with the solution, how to solve it. Customer feedback's paramount, right? Like obviously the end user they're going to be the one finding out all the issues. So early on in the design stage, we're always considering, is this going to be good for the customer? We'll get their thoughts on it. What do you like? What do you dislike? And from there, there's a constant dialogue between ourselves and the customer, making the machine better and just making it better for both of us. In the end, we really want a truthful discussion between us, so we can make a better machine and that'll sell better and be more reliable, and the customer will have a better machine in the end. So they're always really appreciative and really helpful with us.
All right, welcome to Research and Development. Here we get to take an engineer's idea and actually manufacture a machine that we can rigorously test. The machine goes out on testing, perhaps for a number of years. We receive customer feedback, and from there, we ensure that the quality is ready for the production line. Come on, let me take you there. Welcome to production! All right, now that I've found a quieter spot, let me tell you about production. So what happens here is that material is received in real time. That means no material sits outside, so there's no rust or extra buffing on the line. The material comes in, is immediately dispensed down to the line. It hits the weld line, the paint booth, and then final assembly. And our product goes out the door and off to our customers.
I'm Corey Nickerson. I work for Highline Manufacturing and I'm the plant leader here. So we look at improving our efficiencies basically right from our team. So having our team input ideas and encouraging them to bring those ideas forward allows us to capture what's going to work best and make it easier for them, which ultimately makes our product flow better. It's an amazing culture, really. I think it's an autonomous but continuously improving culture. Very independent teams that can work well on their own and come up with ideas, and yet able to work together as a whole. Just very tight-knit teams, almost like a family.
My name is Cam Wilson. I work at Highline Manufacturing and I lead the customer service team here. I think what leads to incredible customer experiences is the background of the customer service team. Each member on that team has sat in a seat and knows what it's like to be that customer and knows what they want for service. As a farmer myself, I make buying decisions based around being able to get dealer support. I will drive past the dealership towards another dealership, go extra miles in order that I know that I will get better service at that dealership, and I'll buy there. I think that history has helped me in my role here at this company because I know what I want then I have an idea what the customer wants.
Thanks for visiting Highline. I hope you enjoyed seeing our world-class facility and meeting some of our people. Don't forget to follow us on our social platforms or visit our website at www.highlinemfg.com. Thanks for coming.